It's strawberry season, so let's make some jam. First up, wash the berries, and I did put a little bit of vinegar in the water just to make sure we get them nice and clean. And we got to get these jars sterilizing. So before you even cut the berries, you got to get the jars ready. Next up, I grabbed my Ninja, and I'm going to cut all the tops off these berries, and I'm going to save them on the side. And we're going to get them blended up, and we're going to get them cooking on the stove. I grabbed my canning supplies, lemon juice, the pectin, and that's the directions that we're going to follow for strawberry jam, and we're doing the cooked recipe. And I got my sugar out, and we're doing full sugar, which isn't normally my game, but I want to make sure it sets because we are doing a canning class, and this is what you're going to get when you're in the canning class. So I'm going to get these made. So grab a drink and a show and get chopping. All right, my 8 cups of strawberry juice and a little splash of lemon and the pectin were in here, and they were brought to a boil that wouldn't stir away. I'm just following the directions on the Sure Gel packet of pectin. And then I added the 7 cups of sugar. I know, it hurts, but this lasts a really long time, and it's going to be split up into lots of little jars, so you're never really going to have that much sugar at one time. But my next batch, you bet, will be low sugar. So now we're just waiting to bring this up to a boil for 1 minute, and we're going to keep stirring it. And then our jars are hopefully going to be done by then, and we will be able to can it up. So we're going to fill with a 1/4 inch of headspace. And then we're going to get them just fingertip tight. I think this is going to make 2 more. It's already starting to set on me. All right, I got a little bowl of vinegar here. We got to get these cleaned because it won't make a good seal if there's anything sticky here. And then we're just going to get them fingertip tight. All right, we've got them all set and ready to go. We're going to get them in the canner, make sure there's something on the bottom, and I'm probably going to end up doing 2 rows, so I have something to go in between them also. You got to go 1 to 2 inches over the top of the jars, and we're going to wait till this is at a boil and then set the timer for 5 minutes. Once they boil, you turn off the heat, and then you're going to let them just sit there and cool down for 5 minutes, and then you're going to carefully remove them with hopefully your ball grabbers. And so you don't burn yourself. And then you're going to clean that. You're going to let them sit for 24 hours, and then you're going to clean them the next day. You're going to take the rings off, go ahead and wash the jars. And then I put the rings back on because I'm giving these out and they're going to travel, but you want to store them without the rings. And I just wanted to show you guys this here because I didn't mention taking the foam off the top, kind of like skimming it off the top, just because it makes a prettier product. But if you don't mind the foam, then it doesn't matter.